Hello, Mark.
What kind of music do you like to listen to?
Hey, Sophie, I love listening to pop and rock music. What about you?
I like Latin music and R&B, but I also enjoy some pop songs.
Oh, nice. Do you like to dance when you listen to music?
Yes.
I love dancing to salsa and reggaeton. What about you?
I'm not a great dancer, but I like dancing at parties or when I'm in a good mood.
I dance all the time, even when I'm cleaning the house.
Oh, so do you listen to music while you do house chores?
Always. It makes cleaning and cooking more fun.
Do you?
Yeah, I put on a playlist when I'm doing the dishes or vacuuming.
That's the best way to do chores. And do you listen to music while you take a shower?
Of course, I even sing in the shower.
Me too. I feel like a superstar in the bathroom.
Exactly. The acoustics in the bathroom make your voice sound better.
That's so true. Do you prefer Latin music or American music?
I like both, but I listen to more American music. What about you?
I love Latin music. The rhythm is so energetic.
Yeah, Latin music is great for dancing. Who's your favorite artist?
I love Shakira and Bad Bunny. What about you?
I like Bruno Mars and Coldplay. Their songs are amazing.
Nice choices. What's your favorite music platform? Do you use YouTube Music or Spotify?
I usually use Spotify because I can make playlists and listen without ads. What about you?
I use both, but I prefer YouTube Music because I can watch music videos too.
Oh, that's a good point. But I like how Spotify gives you recommendations based on what you listen to.
Yeah, both platforms are great. Do you listen to music when you go to sleep?
Sometimes, I like listening to soft music or instrumental songs before bed.
Me too. It helps me relax.
Music is such a big part of life. I don't think I could live without it.
Same here. Let's make a playlist together with all our favorite songs.
That's a great idea. Let's do it.